Hi, I'm Arnie and you're watching At Home Product Reviews. And have I got something so cute if you have a baby of your own, 18 months or older, or grandkids of the same age, or in my case, I don't know exactly what, grandnephew? Anyway, baby's RC airplane. I saw this and I just had to get a hold of this. This was sent to me by Iplay Ilearn and it just looks so cute. What are the things that it's for aside from just playing? Finger dexterity, motor skills, musical awareness, logical thinking are the things that they are trying to incorporate into this. We take a look at the other side here, 18 months. It requires you to have 4 AA batteries and 2 AAA batteries. On the side here, it gives a little bit more information about part of it here. And you can look at some of these components. I tell you, when I saw this, I thought this is such a fun, sweet thing for somebody really young. It explains here what each of these will do. If you press the passenger, it has a funny talking sound. Can also remove it to play with it separately. There's an intercom button. Press to play a cartoon sound. There's the captain. Press the captain to start the airplane and play. Let's stop talking. Get this out of here. I happen to have some batteries available, so we'll see if we can get this going here. Here's the plane itself. Is that fun? I don't even have kids and I think this is great. And then over here we've got the other parts to it. Goodness gracious, they really wrapped this up. Okay, we've got the remote control, and we have the passenger. Where are the passengers? Here's the passenger. And we have the captain. Oh yeah. Okay, and we have one other bit here, and it is a piece of luggage. Now, where would that go? Oh, look at that. The luggage pops in there. I'm going to keep this for myself. And so, we don't have batteries in it yet, but let's do that real quickly. Can you hear that? I just turned on the remote. I've got noise switches over here. Different volumes. On this side over here, we've got remote control. The controllers here. All kinds of great stuff happening here. What about the back? Nope, that's not going to give me anything. Oh man. Well, let's see what happens here. Let's put passenger in. Oh my, and here's the captain. Oh my. Okay, turn on the remote. Press the left-hand button, forward, backward and turning. Oh my. Thanks for watching.